Subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to get all the latest updates.
A 13-year-old Dalit girl was raped and murdered for defecating in a farmland in Pakaria village of Isanagar area in Uttar Pradesh Lakshmipur Kheri district late on Friday. The girl was missing after she had gone to relieve herself, and when the family went out looking for her, they found her dead in a sugarcane field. In the past, one of the accused had a tiff with the girl's family over defecating in his farmland. In the complaint, the family had named him. Sanjay Kumar and Santosh Yadav, two accused, were detained on Saturday. During the interrogation, Sanjay has accepted to have killed the girl along with Santosh, who is also a Dalit.
एक 13 वर्षीय नाबालिग लड़की थी जो कि थाना हमारा पड़ता है ईसानगर। उसमें एक गन्ने के खेत में उस लड़की का शव बरामद हुआ है। शव को पुलिस ने तत्काल जो है परिजनों के साथ शव को जो है देखा, उसको मौके का मुआयना किया। तत्काल पुलिस मौके पे पहुंच गई। मौके पर पहुंचने के बाद धारा 302 के तहत अभियोग पंजीकृत कर लिया गया। शव को कब्जे में लेकर पोस्टमार्टम के लिए भिजवाया गया। उसके बाद जब पोस्टमार्टम की रिपोर्ट आई, उसमें रेप की पुष्टि हुई थी। उसी के आधार पर हम लोगों ने पॉस्को एक्ट बढ़ा दिया उसमें, और अभी दोनों जो अभियुक्त हैं उनको गिरफ्तार कर लिया गया था। अभी वो जेल भेज दिया गया उनको कल ही। इसमें हम लोग आगे इन पे एनएसए की कार्रवाई करेंगे।
In the statement issued by the police, the postmortem report that followed later in the night showed that the minor was raped and had visible injuries on her eyes caused by sharp sugarcane leaves. An FIR has been registered under IPC Section 302 for murder and SC/ST Act at Isanagar Police Station. Both the accused were arrested. Later, Section 376D for gang rape and POCSO Act were added to the FIR following the autopsy, which confirmed the sexual assault and strangulation of the minor. National Security Act is expected to be invoked against the two men accused. Further investigation is underway. This is yet another horrific incident that has emerged from the state in the recent days. It is being strongly condemned by the Uttar Pradesh opposition, while the young girl's father awaits justice. With Naveen Avasthi, Vibhavi Madhava for Mojo Story.